Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today on my channel I have my first ever GlossyBox unboxing. I'm actually really excited to be able to actually bring this to you guys. The company actually reached out to me and asked me if I would collaborate with them for this amazing December glossy box, where I would do my unboxing and review the products for you guys. Basically, I've been intrigued with getting GlossyBox. I just didn't know too much about the company in general and basically what they offered. Also, GlossyBox very generously gave me a discount code for you guys, so I'm gonna leave it right here. My code is just my name, Janet, and you guys will get 22% off on your first month's box. GlossyBox is $21 a month. They also give you guys discounts, like if you get a 3-month, 6-month, and a year subscriptions, prepaid. I'm not sure if you can stack discounts, but it never hurts to try if you guys do choose to get the GlossyBox subscription. But they do, but GlossyBox does guarantee that you'll get a minimum of $80 of value in your boxes every month. For the month of December, GlossyBox advertised that we were going to be getting 5 full-size items, so that is really neat. But you know what, you guys, let's get started and open this bad boy up. Again, this is my first ever GlossyBox unboxing, so I am very excited. So you guys, before we get any further, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and then comment below if you guys have ever tried GlossyBox. Again, I've never tried it before, so I'm excited to know and hear if you guys have. And let's go. Really nicely sealed, and it has that little tearaway right here. So off the bat, great presentation. So the first thing I got was this $80 gift card for HelloFresh. I see this everywhere, and I keep on telling my husband I want to try this out, so this will definitely come in handy. They also sent us a $100 wine voucher for Naked Wines. I don't really drink, so I'm not probably going to do that, but that's nice for those who drink. And my box comes inside another box, so let's pop that out. I definitely know I'm going to keep this box. It's so nice. Look at the lid. Oh my gosh, I'm all about presentation and packing. Look at this. It's wrapped like a nice little gift inside, and this is how the box comes. Oh, I'm definitely saving all these little things inside because they're so cute. Oh, how cute. So they sent, so the first item I got is from LaSplash, the 1920s eyelashes. So I'm not sure if you can see, but they're very nice and wispy. Now that I'm getting better and more comfortable with lashes, I'm very excited to try these. Now they do look pretty long, but most likely I'm gonna end up trimming the sides, so very cool. Now I don't see a card in here, which is why I'm just telling you guys as I get the items. The next thing I got is a Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes, and it's a nice crease brush. Look at that. Oh, I love these. Like, there's so much you could do with these type of brushes, you guys. This is the Luxie 211 concealer brush, and these are pricey, so that's great. Yes, I got a RealHer Ultimate Glow palette. It's a cheek trio. I love this marble packaging. Like, I really hope more brands, or let me rephrase it, I really hope more subscription companies work with RealHer in bringing us more of their products. I love their eyeshadow palette, and I've really wanted to try more of their stuff. But look at this, you guys. This is the perfect palette, and I'm literally filming this as I'm about to head out of town for holiday, so I'm packing this bad boy in. I actually have my RealHer eyeshadow palette in my makeup bag, so this is the perfect companion. It comes with a bronzer, highlight, and a blush. Perfect. Oh, love it. Let me swatch it. It's a powdery color. You can kind of see it, but my skin's kind of fair. Oh. I'm going to do a second swatch of the blush. Yeah, much better. So there's the blush. Look at that highlight, you guys. Single swatch, and the bronzer. Those are perfect shades, you guys. I cannot wait to use it. Perfect time for it to arrive. And again, love the packaging. It's very stunning. It's a marble packaging. The next item I got was from Laurent. It says it's a lip gloss. Very cute packaging. Oh, it's like a pomade. So these ones you would definitely need either a lip brush, or you could probably just use your finger if you choose. In my case, I don't want to have like a sticky finger from dipping my, you know, but I have lip brushes that I haven't used, so perfect opportunity. Even though it's a red, and I'm kind of like, I wish I didn't have so many. I wish subscription companies would stop sending me so many reds, and this is in general because I have so much red lipstick. I love it, you guys, but I have a lot. I really do. Ooh, this is fancy. This is like some kind of nail polish. Let me look. This is a Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail Cuticle Engineer. Ooh, so good. So this is a nail and cuticle rejuvenator, which is awesome. I really need something like this, so I'm very excited to get this. It's from Nail Medic, so that's really cool. I like the colors. It's really neat. So I'm excited to try this. So these are all the items I actually received in my glossy box. What do you guys think of the items I received? For $21 a month, I don't think it was bad. I mean, overall, this is a major win. I love this brush, definitely. These lashes are very cute. Anyone that does nail care, or, you know, doesn't matter if you wear falsies or you do manicures, this is a great deal. Now, I don't know the total retail value, as I didn't get a price card. So what I'll do is I will look into the pricing, and I'll try to post it here, or if not, I'll post it in the description box for you guys, because again, they did say that our boxes would be at $80 retail value. But let me know again what you guys think, and thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys all have a very happy holiday and happy new year. Catch you in the next one.